Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so you're ready to ditch the pre-ground coffee and dive into the world of fresh, amazing coffee at home, right?
Exactly. But there are so many options. I just want the best flavor possible, but I'm not sure where to start.
Well, if you're serious about flavor and want ultimate control over the grind, the TIMEMORE Sculptor 064s coffee bean grinder is a fantastic choice. We're talking serious precision here.
Interesting, but I was also looking at the Ultimate Home Coffee Roasting Starter Kit. It seems like a whole different level of fresh. Roasting my own beans sounds incredible.
It is. The Sculptor focuses solely on grinding, taking pre-roasted beans to the next level. Think of it as upgrading your existing setup, whereas the Roasting Starter Kit is the whole shebang, roasting and grinding, a complete coffee experience.
Yeah, it comes with the Fresh Roast State Route, 800 roaster, a bean cooler, and a Burr grinder. Basically everything you need to roast about 6 to 8 ounces of your own beans from scratch.
Sounds like a journey from green bean to cup. The TIMEMORE Sculptor 064s is all about precision. It's designed with patented flat burrs for extremely consistent grinding, which is key for espresso, pour-over, even French press. The uniformity is incredible.
Oh wow, so it's really focused on the grind quality itself? Like extracting the best possible flavor from already great beans?
Absolutely. And it's not just consistent, it's adjustable. It even has adjustable RPM from 800 to 1400, so you can fine-tune the grind to your specific brewing method and bean type.
That's cool, but the Roasting Starter Kit includes a Burr grinder with 16 settings. Is that enough control, or will I be wanting more later?
For a beginner, definitely. It's a great starting point to experiment with different grind sizes. Plus, you're learning the roasting side too. Imagine roasting your own beans to asterisk exactly your liking, then grinding them fresh. The aroma alone is worth it.
Okay, I'm picturing it. Fresh roasted coffee.
Building on that, the TIMEMORE has a sensory brushless motor for smooth, quiet operation and even a patented rotary knocker to minimize retention and get rid of any leftover coffee grounds. Plus, magnetic alignment for the containers. Talk about attention to detail.
I bet that keeps it super clean and makes it last longer.
What's really cool about the Roasting Starter Kit is that it includes 2 1-pound packages of premium green coffee beans to get you started. You can literally roast your first batch the day it arrives. You're comparing apples to oranges here. One focuses on the absolute best grind possible, the other on the whole roasting and grinding experience.
So if I'm already happy with my roasted beans and just want to upgrade my grinder for better flavor and more control, the TIMEMORE is the way to go?
Exactly. It's designed for the coffee enthusiast who wants ultimate control and the highest possible grind quality. It's an investment in flavor.
But if I'm curious about roasting and want to explore the entire process, from green bean to cup, the starter kit is a better fit?
Definitely. It's a fantastic way to learn about coffee from the ground up, literally. Just be aware the grinder is more basic.
Okay, that makes it much clearer. The TIMEMORE is for precision grinding and maximizing flavor, while the roasting kit is for exploring the whole coffee making process and learning a new skill.
Exactly. It all comes down to what you're looking for in your coffee journey. Now you're ready to make a decision you'll love. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.